Alright guys, this is James from parafix.com. Hi everyone, let's start once again with the US against the CHF. Now, since it's Merry Christmas time, as you probably know, this is the main reason that right now most of the banks are in holidays. Now, therefore, we don't see a huge volatility from that market, but we still seeing opportunities, and this is the main reason that I'm here. This is the main reason that Parafix here, in order to show you and to help you to make in the end of the day the right decision. So by looking on that chart, of course, you will be able to see this is a 4 hours chart, meaning that each candle right here, as you can see, is 4 hours. So let's look what happened. We draw actually a Fibonacci line, meaning that we'll be able to see the support and the resistance for that specifically pair. And as you can see on the last few hours, what's happening, that pair basically bounced between the 0 point on top, okay, and of course to the next support line that he had somewhere around 38.2, that it's like, if we're looking on the market rate, it's standing on 1.0278. So let's make it clear. What happened is that the pair were moving up and down, dropped down to the second support line and started to bounce back once again. And right now, as you can see, those are another 4 hours, those are another 4 hours, and as you can see on the last 12 hours, what happened is that we had one candle that went up and two candles that went down. So in that case, on the last 8 hours, we're seeing sort of a drop down, even though it's testing once again the support line, and we'll see either it's going to break it and to continue downtrend, or either it's just going to touch it and to move back up. So make sure that right now you're looking on that and you're making the right decision, because basically in a few seconds we'll have also an announcement that will come from the Swiss area, and by that of course you will be able probably to see sort of a dramatic change. Not a dramatic in a way of like 100 or 200 pips, but of course we'll be able to see the effect from that announcement. Later on, of course, we'll be able to see also announcement that's coming from the US area. We have, of course, the Chicago PMI, and by that, of course, it will be easier for you to make the right decision. Now, I'm moving forward to a different pair, euro against the US dollar, and as you can see right now, we're looking on once again on a 4 hours chart. From the top line, it's dropping down, the euro losing its power day by day, as you can see. Sorry, I have 4 hours by 4 hours, and it's dropping down to the bottom of the support line. Now, as you can see, this is the bottom, moving up once again to the resistance and playing right now in a range until it will break it. So it's tested the 1.4463 and it's dropping down once again. Either it's going to do right now uptrend, or either it's going to do a downtrend. But in order to know where the direction will go, of course it is important to track the next announcement that will come from those areas. So meantime, as I mentioned already on the last few reviews that we had right here, we said Christmas time, December time, recession time, it's a good time basically right now, December time for America, meaning we're seeing more consumers that buying, we're seeing more and more investment that coming from the US, and this is the main reason that we're seeing quite strong US, quite weak different currencies type, and by that of course it will be easier for you in the end of the day to make the right decision. This is James from parafix.com. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate. Please write it down, as most of you. Thank you very much. Take care. See ya. Merry Christmas.